Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the top features of the Apple iPad Air 2020 version. This is the latest version of the popular iPad series, and it gets a new design refresh, a new set of features and improved hardware for better performance. It also runs on the iPad OS ecosystem. So let's get started with the top features of this tablet. So in terms of the design, as you can see, it's got this design refresh, which means it's much more sleeker, it's much more lighter, and the name Air completely associates with what this tablet represents. It's got the sleekness to it, the dimensions are much smaller than the conventional iPads that we've seen in the market, and the size is probably apt. The 10.9-inch screen that you get, it gets liquid retina display, which means high resolution, high display, rich colors and good color reproduction as well. It's good in outdoor visibility as well, so just in case if you are outside and you're watching the screen in under sunlight, you make sure that you can easily watch this, and the auto brightness features through the iPad OS ecosystem make sure that you're able to easily see content through on the screen. Now in terms of the power capabilities, this, as you might know, it runs on the iPad OS software that Apple has built for its Apple iPad devices in the past year or so, and it comes powered by the Apple A14 Bionic chipset that we've already seen with the latest iPhone series. Now it comes to the iPad Air as well. You get different RAM options and storage options, so you can definitely consider, but since this is an iPad, you cannot expand storage, so make sure that you get the best storage option for yourself in the market, and you can get all those details on the Apple website easily. In terms of other capabilities, you have this camera at the back as well. This is a single camera, but since tablets are not really meant for imaging purpose, but still Apple makes sure that you get the best kind of quality with this back camera over here, and the front camera is there for HD FaceTime calling as well. So if you want to make video calls through FaceTime, which is one of the popular applications that works for Apple users, you can just turn it on through your Apple ID on the device, and you can make video calls using the camera on the front. Yes, in terms of the voice assistant now, iPad and Apple devices run on the Siri ecosystem. So you have the Siri button over here, you just tap on this and Siri gets activated. You can basically raise any kind of voice command, and it will make sure that whatever is capable through the ecosystem, it will function for you. In terms of the battery size, Apple has made sure that the sleekness does not compromise on the battery life. So you get up to 7 to 10 hours of battery life with this tablet, which is quite decent. But the most important thing for me is the two features that Apple has added to the iPad Air, that is this Touch ID based power button. So now this is not just a power button. If you just tap it over here and sign in and activate, you can actually have your Touch ID fingerprint sensor built into this, so that you can secure the device and make sure that nobody else is able to access the device when you're not around. Apart from this, you also have this USB Type-C connectivity. Probably this is one of the first devices from the Apple ecosystem to use this support as for data transfer as well as power charging, which is why you get this bundled Type-C adapter inside the box along with this USB Type-C cable, both side to USB ports. You just connect one of them to this over here, then the other one to the power adapter, and this way you can make sure that the iPad charges at a faster data transfer speed. And then you have these bottom speakers over here that basically enhances the music experience, and especially when you're watching videos on the screen, it probably makes for a decent viewing. So as you can see, iPad Air is basically not just a new name, it's a new series of devices in the Apple iPad ecosystem. This gets a new refreshed design, sleek colors and sleek design and sleek look and feel, but that does not compromise on performance and battery life. And you make sure that you have features like Touch ID sensor for security, then you have the rear and front camera for different kind of imaging capabilities, and it supports USB Type-C for data transfer and power charging. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.